I hate to repeat myself, but let me say this. Let this be the last time any of you will make reference to where, when, and how I choose to make this vision of the fact that I am still young and vibrant. If your libido has diminished, or you are now impotent, winged town has flown anyhow, but has eventually come tumbling on the ground to be swallowed by the Urema, you have done the unthinkable. And I will swallow you. And you know what? I will also vomit you. You are not more worthy to be my meal. God. You were Caesar and starve her to death. Hey! Look at me, baby. You must run! Go and do what I asked you to do! Impressive. Urema, impressive. But I want to tell you this. It's a promise that must be fulfilled now. I will wash my hands with your blood. In your job, I like why can't get that? Okay, you have acquired power. But I tell you this. Such powers cannot move men like us. Move men like me. I am a typical male. You will see what charm is.
My decree only.
out of.
Arrest that woman! Hey, you woman! Enter the car! No! Move fast! Enter the car!
What has he done?
Will you keep quiet? I said enter the car. Fast!
Come and take it out of my face.
Push it to the car!
Move! Enter the car.
Move! That one there. Move! Enter this car. Move! Enter this car! Move! Move!
What are you wearing?
So, you know the... Eh?
No.
You've not heard that there is a decree in this our land that men should wear women's clothes. And women should wear men's clothes. So, that is what we are wearing.
As you can see.
You're welcome.
Let you go borrow no
No.
watch. Huh? I'm my friend.
Don't worry, very soon. Very soon.
Okay. Okay.
You never heard. You will soon see.
Don't worry.
I was reliably informed that you criticized my father's regime yesterday. Huh?
My praise, forgive me.
Foolish old fool. When was the last time you had your bath? This morning. And you still stink. It's possible you did not even brush your teeth. Ah! Don't you dare! Don't you dare raise your armpits. That would be dangerous. Now, get out, you woman! Huh? Get out!
Ibe urema kembo, ibe urema, 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 ibe urema kembo, ibe urema.
Why are you staring at me? Meanwhile, why are you still dressed like this? Eh? I'm asking you a question. You know name Kipuewu. Chibegonte.
Akonwanya, I don't understand. The hat on your head, the bead on your neck and the walking stick are not meant for you. These are meant for the elders of the land.
We are the elders of this land. We are the Indians. We rule this land now. I do not see you. Anytime I see you dressed like this, Anyaginabo, Gafunt again. Ezenago, if I were you, I will hearken to the voice of reasoning and do what others are doing. To pour the late. You people are no longer men. You are women. We don't have men. You people are useless. You are animals, vegetables, broken eggs, non-entities, idiots. Go and change before you regret your life. Jerry Papa! You love for wine, no wine cable. How about one?
Look on her. I don't know, concern. Oh, man.
Never do. How long will you continue like this? Huh?
It's as if you read my mind. Things are getting from bad to worse in this land.
Eh?
What do you people want me to say?
Huh?
What do you want me to say? You want to die? Eh? What's happening now? Be very careful. Uremma is a demigod.
Hey.
Uremma is a principality. She is a power. Uremma is power. Nakwa na abum. Una chonu na kenko. Onye na alapụta. Nakwa abum aji adịrị.
Hey.
Okay, this is good. Tonto.
Nne mama.
Isokwa.
Unu na onye.
Huh?
What is the meaning?
What are you wearing?
Yeah?
Uremma, you want to die?
Hey.
Do you want to die? If Uremma sees you now, Sam. Uremma sees you. Sam. Come out of here. I didn't see you. Unana.
I did not see you.
That's like you bring her. I think I believe you one.
If I am not wrong, you came here so that we can discuss about the piece of land you want from me.
Yes. We both know that my late mother gave that piece of land to you to cultivate on. But now that I'm back home, I need to take it. And
You must be very stupid. What is an agro? Who do you think you are? How dare you come into my presence dressed like a man? Huh? Imarozina anyewa na-emezi fumu nwoke men's things ka ị na-emezi. Ezenago. Now, turn around, go home. When you dress like a woman, buy a bottle of original aromantic snack. You can then come back to me. Maybe, Ezenago, maybe I can give you a listening ear. Hey, I know an amazing man things. You know what I mean? I mean amazing man things. You know what I mean? Eh? Do you baby? Ona? Oh.
We have to trade with caution. That piece of land belongs to us. But she's going to report to the power that be, and they will automatically sell that land to her. Please, calm down. Take things easy. I know it's not easy, but please, you have to try.
what do you mean by that? There is something that can be done in any situation. Odibeze wants me to wear women's clothes, buy her hot drinks and even cola nuts before we can talk about a piece of land that rightfully belongs to me.
I know she will report to the power that be. She will see that land. Please, I know it's not easy, but you have to try. Calm down. Take things easy, please, my brother.
How did things turn upside down within a twinkle of an eye? Women now wear clothes, men's clothes, own lands and dictate what happens. Now, this is an abomination I will not be a part of.
Please, brother, bring down your voice. This gossip might even report to the Igwe.
Don't call her that. She is not the Igwe and will never be.
Okay, good and fine. She's not the Igwe, but she can easily execute you.
It might even get into her head to come and pay your dowry.
If I slap you, dowry quick.
Wait for us now. Give me.
Hey, what is wrong with you? Am I not going to pay you for the egg?
No, you.
Have you got mad? I'm wondering why you're still dressed like this.
And you want to put me into trouble? Are you not aware that you're not supposed to eat eggs?
And who do you think you are? As if that is not enough sacrilege. You even dare to eat egg in our presence. Now you are under arrest. Stand up.
It's obvious both of you lack complaint.
What? Hey, stand up. You are under arrest. I said stand up. Stand. Now move. Move. You move.
I can't do water.
Yeah, join you. Keep moving. Hey, stop there. Where are you going?
Please.
Stop there.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm stopped. Even want to talk. I am not Igwe. Ulema is the Igwe. She is a very dangerous, powerful woman. And you are still wearing this. You want to die? Okay, you want to die. Now listen to me. She is the most powerful. Whatever she asks you to do it. Don't question. Don't do anything. Biko.
Stop there.
No, not this.
Kneel down. Raise your hands. Close your eyes. And stick out your tongue.
Get out!
I thought I got rid of those who chose not to abide by my decree. You still defy me by dressing like a man. Soon you will know why people do not cross my path. What crime did she commit?
Your Majesty, she sold egg to this one, and he had the temerity to eat it in my presence.
You did what?
Your Majesty, he was one that took the egg, and before I could say anything, he has already eaten them.
Did she sell eggs to you?
No. But what problem is it if I wanted
Shut up!
egg?
Who asked you to speak? Are you not aware that I made it an abomination in this kingdom for any man to eat egg of any sort? Are you a stranger?
I am not a stranger. I've only stayed away for a long time.
Whose son are you? Who is your mother?
My name is Ezenagwamechi. My mother is the late Mwacha.
You have just escaped death by the skin of the teeth. Go home.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you.
Take him to the cell.
Yes, Your Majesty.
No one lays a finger on him.
Yes, Your Majesty. You move! Move! Hey, now move!
Urema, King Urema sent me to you as an uncle.
How could you? How could I not know of a kingdom like ours descend so low as to accept a woman as a king and obey all her instructions without question? No. Look at you. What are you wearing?
What an elder sees while seated, a child cannot see, even when he climbs the tallest Iroko tree. King Urema defeated the almighty Ajareja and suppressed him with his supernatural power. And any other person that will want to stand in opposition against her, not even the government can stop her.
It's obvious. It's obvious that Urema has brainwashed all of you. Who want to go over and watch? No. Let me be.
Listen, King Urema sent me to ask you to be loyal to her, to obey her, and keep her instructions to the letter. And you will be married to an influential personality in Umubu Kingdom. And whatsoever you will ask in this kingdom will be done for you. Yeah, you don't like it.
What about me? Please take me with you. I'll do anything King Urema says. Please, can I go with you?
It's one. Obedience is better than sacrifice. But disobedience.
What do you want?
I've come to set you free.
Wow. That is so kind of you.
Has anyone ever told you how much I hate sarcasm? Well, I'm just telling you. If you ever try that on me again, you will never see the dawn of another day.
I think we understand each other better. Can I go now?
Why? Why go anywhere else when I've come to take you as my wife? I think I like you.
Don't you dare.
You set me free because you want me to marry you?
Exactly. In never knew you were this nice. But I will marry you and not the other way around.
I thought you hated sarcasm.
Don't you dare use such words on me. Else, you will lose your head.
Thank you for the piece of advice. Can I go back to my cell now?
Like I said, I brought you out because I want to marry you.
I would rather die than revel in this stupidity and ignorance.
What did you just say? How dare you? On your knees!
Are you deaf?
Go down! Now listen to me. If you ever use such words on me again, you will be executed.
You stand up. Move it.
Stand up!
Ibe uremma kembo, ibe uremma. Ibe uremma kembo, ibe uremma.
I have thought about your condition thoroughly and I decided to spare your life because I remember that prior to your mother's untimely death, she played a major role in supporting my reign.
You will live long, Your Majesty.
Oh no. For as long as you decide to abide by the rules and regulations of this kingdom, you will walk free. But should you at any point decide to rebel against me, I will behead you, dismember you, and give your body parts to the dogs to feed on. Is that understood?
Yes, Your Majesty.
You may leave.
Igwe.
Ibe uremma kembo, ibe uremma. Ibe uremma kembo, ibe uremma. Ibe uremma.
Hey, what are you doing there? What is going on here?
Are you mad? Are you out of your senses? Why are you leave this place?
Why would you talk to me like that? Is he mad? Huh? What? And you will die too. I'll kill you too. I'll kill you too.
Brother, please, you have to run away before the palace guard gets here. Please, you have to run away, please. Brother, please, you have to listen to her. Her Majesty will not do anything to us. No, she will definitely kill you if her guards catch you. Please, you have to go. You have to go, please. Please, run away.
Let that thing that will happen tomorrow happen today.
Brother, please, now you know how she does. Please, be fast. Hurry.
What?
Hurry. Brother, please. Run, please.
Hey, what are you doing there?
for work. I'm tired. I haven't eaten since yesterday.
Eh? You're telling me that you have not eaten since yesterday? Come on!
Ah, nah. Eh? Kifo, what is it? Do you want to kill my son? He's the only one I have, oh!
You're talking to me like that?
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
You slapped me?
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
Stop! One more movement, you die!
You!
Ezenagu, son of Amechi, I see pains in your heart.
Umungu makano. Umungu makano.
Yeah.
Kwenu.
Yeah.
Kwenu.
Yeah.
Kwenu. Oko si adi odimma. It is an honor for me to live in the same era with Igwe Uremma, the protector of our people. The protector of our people. The conqueror of those idiots that believed we were not greater than them. Are we not happy?
We are very happy.
Let us give a thunderous welcome to the mayor of our time. Without wasting much time, let the woman we've come to marry step forward. Oh, where you are, Neche? I'm okay. Oh no! Adwai! Oh no! Adwai! Ipiabugo! Ibeligo! Hello! Agwoke! Igwe Omalecha Achalugo Omalecha Nwa muzira muzi Nwa bono nogo Nwa dia Hey Nwama Nwama Nawawo Gariru Ayo kwerazi
Oh no, ina fuzo
It's a lion and millie. Hey! Ow! Here is the wife, my daughter. Show us the man that wants to marry you. Ome. Wap. Onye opinion? Sorry. Oh no! The beef, oh no! Yes, so. Oh no!
Oh no! He got what to put that.
He's shy.
Don't worry, I'm
Your Highness, my fellow elders.
Oh no.
My heart is so filled with gratitude that it could burst into joy. I want to thank you all for making my marriage a huge statement. Thank you for all your support. Darling.
Oh no. You are part of us. You are one of us. And so, we accept your appreciation in good faith. But, to make sure that your bride is strong and fit, I will have to test her. And by that you mean what exactly?
Igwe, I'm sorry, Your Highness.
God.
Igwe. Your
Take
Highness.
the bride to my bedroom immediately.
Yes, Igwe.
Your Highness, I don't understand.
You will understand by the time I am done with your new bride. You all can go home or sit here and wait for the news of her vibrancy. It is well with you all.
This was not part of what he promised us. This is tyranny. Do you all keep quiet to this?
No.
Don't tell me you are ignorant of what just happened.
Oh no. Calm down. Okay? Just calm down.
Calm down, no.
You must be stupid. You are the stupid one. Eh? If you're not stupid, you would have remembered that in this house, it is a rule that you should cook with your own firewood. Why were you stealing mine? Why?
Don't call me a thief. Don't you ever call me a thief. When you took my turn of sleeping with our master, did you please her with my own manhood? No, you did it with yours. Now tell me the reason why I should not steal your own firewood.
So that is your problem. It is because I'm a tiger in bed. And that is why I am able to satisfy her. And she was screaming last night. I'm sure that was what you had that made you do this. It is this your stupidity that had led her into going to marry another wife. And you're talking about taking turns. Just hold on. Wait. You think that this your tired West is not yet ready for retirement? You want to continue to wriggle and wiggle until I beg. Eh? You're talking about taking turns. Eh? You wait. If our master's newly married bride is as good as I am in bed, by the time he will finish dealing with her and I take my turn to deal with her, if you get as little as just one ton ofu in a month, know that I am not my mother's son. A fulefu like you, a weakling.
Me?
Eh?
Weakling?
Yes, now.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
How many times have I warned you never to fight in my house?
I'm sorry about...
You should be sorry. You should be sorry.
You don't blame me for... Thunder will fire you if...
Shut up! Shut up! Keep quiet! One more word from either of you, I will personally show you what fire does to the ears of rats. Nonsense. Stop looking like a fool and come with me. You're here for a particular job. Ngwa! Baini meka ede damaka. Okunu nabo. Kode.
Greetings to this household. Oh no!
Onye?
Greetings, oh no.
Greetings.
Sorry to disturb you, but Your Highness wants to see you immediately.
But it's not too long I left the palace. I hope there's no problem.
No, all is well.
Okay. I'm coming right behind you.
Okay.
Obiadi! Obiadi!
Yes or no?
Ngwa. Get me my cap and my walking stick.
See it or no?
Obiadi. Ngwa sebulan. Go on your knees. Listen to me. Hold your ear. I'm your husband. Next time you address me as a no, did you hear what I said?
Yes, my husband.
Obiadi.
My husband.
Obiadi.
My husband.
Better. Now listen to me. Eat very well and have enough rest. Because once I come back, you begin the work for which I married you.
Yes, my husband.
Get inside!
It is well with you.
Thank you.
It is well with the company that sent you. And it is also well with the entire community.
You are right, Lolo. You are right.
Innocent.
Madam.
You don't address her as Lolo. You address her as Your Highness or Igwe. Are you okay?
Igwe, I'm sorry.
Please, we are sorry about that, Your Highness.
Very well forgiven.
Thank you.
I cannot wait for this project to commence.
We will all reap the fruits of our labor someday.
You have said the right words. You see why I say that we are better than those buffoons that call themselves men. With those little things dangling in it.
Igwe! Your Highness, now I know why you insisted I come at once. Our business partners, you are welcome once again.
Thank you, Anu.
Oh no, you have said the right words. You are wise indeed. You are wise addressing them as our business partners. I cannot wait for us to start benefiting from this collaboration. May the diamonds bring us wealth and happiness. Yeah. You may speak.
Well, thank you, Your Highness. Well, with the meeting we had with our Commissioner for Solid Minerals, it was resolved that 25% proceeds from mine will go to the state government, 25% to the host community, while the remaining 50% go to mine company. The documents on your table are to that effect.
Very well. We shall go through them thoroughly, and 3 of us will sign. And let's start making money. Let's bring wealth and peace and happiness to this kingdom.
That would be awesome, Your Highness. In that case, we have to take our leave now.
Yes, you will be on your way, but the young man would have to stay back for a while.
Which of them?
Me? No. The one with the tie.
Oh, that won't be a problem.
As a matter of fact, after the documents have been signed and we have placed a seal on it, he will deliver them in person.
Yes. That won't be a problem.
Niche! Yeah? This meeting is over. God? My chambers immediately. Yes, Your Highness.
Oh, thank you. You don't have to screw up my business. I swear to God. If you do, I will chop off your head. So smiling. Be a good boy.
He's not big. Obiade.
What is it?
What are you doing here? I'm resting.
Unezu, you are resting. Obiade, do you eat through your anus? You are resting where there are lots of work to be done in this house.
See, please. I'm doing the work our master asked me to do. To eat, rest, and wait for...
Are you mad? Look at this sex machine. Who thinks he's here only for sex and sex alone? Look, if you don't go in there to work with us, we will make you experience...
Who gave you the audacity? You touch my pino. Oh no, go. Stand up. Billy. Who Tagos like you?
You want to kill me?
How do I man you? In my own house. How dare you? Yeah, come this side. Come this way. Watch out. Never give me gonna expire. How dare you? Sit down. Stop right there.
You're stupid. So you think you can dismiss me like that? Eh?
Let me tell you, whatever I did in there was against my will. It's either I do it or we lose the mining contract.
So you think I can't cancel the contracts? Eh? Well, you have to impress me before you append my signature on those documents.
My prince, please. I'm exhausted. The water has just sapped out every energy in me.
Shut up! Will you shut up your mouth? Now listen to me. For you to stay in there that long with my mother, then that means you're a machine. Now, come with me. Stand up!
My prince. Please, I'm hungry. Can I go out and find something to eat? Please.
Are you aware you just insulted me? So you're trying to say that we do not have food in this palace? Now, come with me. I will give you food. Stand up.
It's not as if to say it worries me, but the attitude with which
His Majesty abandoned us is just... I don't know the kind of joy it now gives him to starve me of sex when we got married. Newly.
Don't pretend you don't know it will happen. I suffered the same fate when you married you. I actually blamed you for my predicament, but not anymore. I long realized he loves hijacking women, like a terrorist. using them the way he likes, and discussing them as the way it pleases her.
But this is very disturbing. We are not even allowed to treat women the way she treats us.
He doesn't even have specifications at all. He goes for everything that he sees. Whether it's big, small, large, yellow. As in, once he sees any, he just kidnaps. I don't know.
Just as I was kidnapped. I wish he didn't marry me in the first place.
Yes, so...
Fool! Idiots! On your knees! Both of you on your knees! So you have the guts
to talk about the king in this manner.
Right?
We are very sorry, we are very sorry.
The king must hear this. Are both of you stupid? If you have forgotten how you came to this palace, I still remember. I do not see how my bringing another woman into this palace can be a subject of discussion to you lazy things when there are things to be done in the palace. Will you get out and get things done? Get out of my sight!
Oh no, if you don't see and hear me as the most excited person in this kingdom, oh no, your ears and your eyes are deceiving you. Do you know what we stand to gain with this new venture?
Of course I do.
Oh.
I know that the money that comes from diamond runs in millions. And whatever millions they make, 25% of it is more than enough to make each and every one of us very rich. Besides, if we supply them with manpower, they will increase the amount of money they want to pay us.
Oh, come on. Finally, I can afford to buy all the good things that life has to offer.
Obia,
I will tear down my house, build a befitting one, buy a very big car, and then marry a new wife. Gana adida maka nuku di ahe.
Agunwayo.
Ogene.
Wayo.
Ogene. Adi kife si otu adele gaba.
Oko esi da adudu.
No, ogene.
Oye tura na ibo orali to ozugbo.
Ogene.
Oh, the best.
Oh no.
Eh? You are so much in a hurry to lay your hands on the money the miners are going to pay us.
Oya kijunwayo. Oh no, please. Go and get strong drink so that we will add to this cola and then start celebrating. Alright.
You must go ebe no.
Go no who can no.
Kabekwa.
Oya nonso. Oya nonso.
My love.
Hey. I say kabekwa.
My love.
Who is your love?
I'm sorry, my.
Shut up. Old cargo. Emira no chapter kada moba. One of the mistakes I made. I'm not so bad. Go inside and get me a hot drink. Okay, my nobody. Manike. Ngba. So kupo. Oh, mistake imeleme.
Mana ko di na ye jizi. Aye ji pamu ya log. Aya na ekwodu.
That reminds me of our new wife.
Oh, the best. Hey. You know, like he updated all the time. Here, it is my husband.
Hey, where is Obiade?
He's sleeping after working so hard.
Ngwa, Zuzulu. Pokupue. So what's your business? Old cargo. Hi. I can't wait to get rid of him. I can see that this boy is servicing you very well. Jide. Mwanya ozugbo. Esekie me ya. Ọ na-ekwu me ifroze ka ndị. Looking so refreshed. Ọ na-azụzụ m ya azụzụ. Ọzụzụ ọnya ndị oke. Ife dị ka ife a dị kwakwa. Ozugbo
ife dị ka ife
ọ dị n'ọfọ.
ọ dị n'ọfọ. A na-eme omenala na-awụ ụmụ nwaanyị na. Ha wụtụkwanụ ha na. Ọ gịnị dị?
Onwe ka anyị na-emuru fada. Ọ dị veze ihe egbu mmadụ. Ọ dị gị n'anya.
Ife nji onwe m eme. Ọ bụ bebe.
Aja na ala aja. Ngwakwa ọ ga-adị ọzọ ka anyị
kene ka omenala si otu adịrị gaba.
Ka anyị kene ndị nwe obodo. Anyị mechalụ. Anyị wee dị ezigbo oke.
Ọ dị egwu.
Wow. We have to, now, as usual. To the ancestors.
Yes.
Our ancestors. You did a marvelous job. You really impressed me. Ngoma. Had it been you failed me, I would have sent you packing. But you did not. Listen to me. As long as you remain strong and vibrant, you remain here with me. Do you understand?
Yes, my husband.
Jide Ngoma. Hey.
Greetings, my prince.
Beautiful. Come closer. That's masculine fragrance. I've not seen you in a while now. Are you avoiding me?
I have no reason to avoid you, my prince.
Well, it's okay. I believe you.
Thank you, my prince. I was actually on my way to...
But you can't be on your way to anywhere. Because I'm about to send you on an errand. You see, you have to go into that bush with me.
No, my prince. I don't want you to be offended. But I can't go into the bush with you. Because I know what happened to other men that entered the bush with you.
Other what?
I'm sorry. Other women.
I asked you to do something. A tiny little thing. And you think you have a choice. So you've grown wings. You've grown wings to talk to me in the manner you just did.
No, my prince. It is not.
Shut up! Now roll. I said roll! Beat her up. Beat her like you've never beaten anyone before. And after that, take her to the palace and lock her up.
Please, my prince.
Beat her!
Please, my prince. My prince. Please.
Shut up, idiot! Shut up!
Get back!
Take that to the man.
My friend, will you keep walking? What is that? Are you tired?
Move! Oh yeah, now pick the bags. Join them immediately. Move!
Fast!
What's wrong with her? She's sick. Come. You are sick.
You need to stop up! Come on, get up and start walking. Get up, fast! Bend. Look at them. I don't want to hear your
Etanago.
What are you doing here? I thought you're dead.
Can you shut up? Concentrate on your work. He raped me.
She raped you?
You idiot.
Leave me! You evil man! You raped my sister! You will never get away with it!
How dare you? Are you mad? Will you keep quiet and go back to work? You fools!
It's so good to have to see you again. Well, why did you come back? The evil woman that calls herself
Sit down here. Sit down. Where are the others?
3 workers escaped. What? The guards are after them.
What are you saying? Look after them. Let's go.
Hey! Chukwuka! It's me, Akuma. Come back.
Right there. Drop your weapon. Step back. On your knee.
Good one. Nice job. Now run for your lives!
On your knees. On your knees.
I see. Both of you are too big to obey the instructions of King Uremba.
No. But you know it's not right for you to.
Shut up! Fool! Idiot. Now your back. Are you bigger than this woman here?
No.
Now stand up.
Huh?
Stand up! Send the two of them to the palace. Immediately. Move. Move! Get out of here.
We head this way.
Right. We gotta go.
Wait! Where are we following this man? What if it's a trap?
Instead of you to be grateful that you are saved, you made a point. Let's go back.
What is the argument about?
Since you want to know, I will tell you. How are we sure you did not release us just to set us up?
Are you mad? How can you say something like that?
Certainly I am not mad. I am not mad, but I am fighting for my survival.
You are mad.
I am not.
It's very mad.
Neka. His life cannot be more important to you than it is to him.
You are right.
I have set you free. You can now decide your own destiny. I can only lead those who want to follow me to safety.
Let's go back. Let's go back to the sun.
Keep quiet! Get out, everyone! Everyone.
Ezenago. Ezenago. Before midday today, I shall have your head on a platter. And I shall kill all that ran away with you.
Everybody, come and sit around me. Sit around me! Sit! Now! Fast!
Ezenago, show thyself. Show thyself, coward.
You have all seen the wickedness of the one that calls herself your ruler. Do not deceive yourselves that things will get better, for it can only get worse. When we left the palace, some people were too scared to continue with us. I might not know their condition today, but I am most certain that our tomorrow will be more secure and better than theirs. But it is not going to be easy. We all might not be alive at the end of the day. But trust me, it is better to die on your own terms than to live the life of a slave. You're ready for this? I will fortify you all. All of you, yeah. Would you? Bring her. Going to fortify you all for the fight ahead. Are you all ready for this?
Yes, we are ready.
Is supposed to be here. Why the delay?
Uremma.
How did you get in here?
Just for you to know how prepared I am.
You have powers, no doubt. But they can't be compared to mine. I will spare your life because I see that you have surrendered. But you will apologize to me publicly and remain a slave to me.
If I were you, I would quietly disappear from this kingdom, because that's the only way you will not be disgraced.
You speak to me in that manner.
It is a shame that you bow before Uremma and now treat your own people like slaves. Our time is up, and I would advise you to let those people go.
I will do no such thing. As you can see, you are outnumbered. Get back to war!
Now go. Run!
Your Highness, the coward is nowhere to be found. We have searched everywhere, and we have tried to shut down everyone, but no one seems to know their whereabouts.
You must not relent. Keep searching until I have the head I demanded. Make sure everyone has their eyes open. If there's a repeat of that attack, heads will roll.
It should not happen again, Your Highness.
I want Ezenago's head on a platter. I want Ezenago dead or alive.
Your Highness, Ezenago attacked the man and killed all the guards.
You told me you searched the nooks and crannies of this kingdom. Did you hear that? Ezenago has taken over my mind and had the nerve to send this urchin to me to inform me.
I'm sorry about this.
Shut up! If I hear a word from your mouth, I will skin you alive. Get out.
Your Highness.
Ezenago. Ezenago!
Your Majesty, all is not well. Your Majesty, you will live long. I was informed that you asked the palace guard to go and take over the building I am constructing on that piece of land you helped me take from Ezenago and his...
Do you have a problem with that?
Your Majesty.
That piece of land and the building belongs to me. So if you do not have any other thing to say...
Your Majesty.
I've told you to forget about that piece of land. No. Listen, let me tell you. It's a privilege that His Highness deems is befitting to take what belongs to you.
Really?
Check your name.
And you didn't deem it fit for him to take over your wife? Eh? You did not deem it fit for him to take over your wife? Oh no, God. Oh no. Oh no.
Your Highness, it's not in our interest that our workers should be embarrassed and held captive in your kingdom and you're not doing anything about it.
I have tolerated you enough because of our business interest. But I will not hesitate to cut off your head should you get me upset. This is my kingdom and I am in charge.
But Your Highness...
If my assurance is not good enough for you, maybe I should...
I'm sorry, Your Highness. Your assurance is good enough for me. Thank you very much. We have to be on our way now. Thank you.
Don't
me.
move.
Please, don't hurt me, please. Please. Please don't.
Out. Out.
Please. Please don't hurt me, please. Don't hurt me. Please.
Drop that gun. Drop it!
Please don't hurt me, please. Don't hurt me. Oh. Please. 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 Please, I beg you. Stop
It was not our intention to kill those who have died. It was their decision to attack us. We had to defend ourselves at all costs.
Okay.
We will let you go.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you.
We will let all of you go.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Go.
But you will go to the palace and tell Urema that we have had enough of her excesses.
Oh, I will tell her that. I promise I will do.
You will tell her that we have taken over the mine.
Okay, sir.
You will tell her that her time is up.
Okay, sir. I will tell her everything. I will tell her everything you just told me now.
Now get up.
Thank you,
and
sir.
run.
Run! Move! Move!
By some miscreant who harassed your workers, and you had the effrontery to come here and ask me stupid questions. Have you no home training?
Please, Your Highness, don't be offended. I didn't come here to make you angry. It's just that I'm showing concern.
Concern over what? I am more than capable of taking care of things in this kingdom.
Your Highness, what about the wounded?
They have been taken to the clinic. And I say again, do not task my patience, because you will not like me when my patience wears thin. Now, leave my presence.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Let's do it man to man. If you feel you are bold enough to challenge me.
Mother, we attacked Ezenago's fortress and we were defeated.
Defeated?
Stop there!
Come with peace, for peace, please. Remain your hand, please.
What are you two doing here?
You know we supported you, Rema, from the outset. But today, she has changed from what she promised us. But since we cannot do anything to change her for better, we have decided to eat with you.
Will you shut up and speak the truth? You think we do not know you as spies, right?
Mbaba, we are not here to spy on anybody. Yes. At all. We are here to join forces with you people, so we can return this kingdom to what it used to be.
But why do I find it hard, so hard, to believe Ida of?
Nandiko, believe why?
That is what we do.
Exactly.
You are welcome to the family.
Thank you.
But you will go home. Rest assured that what you seek, you shall find.
Thank you so much, Eze. Thank you.
And tell your fellow girls that things have changed. Now get out of here.
Finally, we won. See you. Next time, you learn your lesson. You don't pursue us again.
Get out and get out! Move out!
Take and give to your husband.
If you move, you die.
I'm glad you know where we can buy guns and gunpowder in large quantities and pay them in diamonds. I need you to make the necessary arrangements so we can get them as soon as possible.
I will do that immediately.
Good.
I would like to go with some of my friends like that.
Amenike,
Yes.
take some of our fighters and go with him.
Okay. Thank you for fighting for our freedom. I can't wait to stop hearing this.
If you succeed, I will make sure you get the best this kingdom has to offer. I will also make sure that nobody treats you the way they treat others. If you succeed, I will make you richer than all your kingsmen put together. What do you say?
Igwe, whatever you say, I will do.
if you don't say the whereabouts of your daughter right now, this air you are enjoying, you will cease to enjoy it. Speak now, or you remain silent forever.
Your Majesty, a man that stirs on the millipede is angry. Brushing up the water of the Dikeh made a pot and tripod on the nearby grasses. But the wounded...
Shut up your mouth! Shut up your dirty mouth! Do you know the offense, the weight of the offense you have committed for not giving your daughter home training? Death sentence.
Hey! Women don't marry against their wish. Hey! But Chioma! This person, are you trying to call Igwe Ajele Joe?